Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren
and I'm Maureen.
So today we are going to be doing a street opinionated video about what Kenyans think about Russia. So in this video we're going to be getting Kenyans' opinion on Russia, what they think about President Putin, and would they live in Russia given the opportunity. So come with us, let's go find out. Do you know President Putin of Russia?
I know him. Yeah, I know him.
What do you know him for?
Putin, okay, of late I've been seeing him waging war, like he has had some quarrels with various countries, USA, yeah. I know him for being such a tough guy. Like, yeah.
And what do you think about Russians or Russia as a country?
You can't just go and mess with Russia. Are you getting my point? You can't just go there, try and do your things in Russia. I like that he's putting Russia in a way that if you see Russia, you should respect Russia. So I support President Putin, the things he's doing for Russia, as it is working for them. You know, Russia is a country, like if you mention, you can just, no other country can just go and mess with Russia. So I totally support what he's doing. Yeah.
Given a chance, is Russia a country you'd like to visit or even maybe live in someday?
I like to visit Russia so much. Yeah, it's the largest country in the world. I think it's the largest country in the world. The World Cup was there in 2018. Yeah, so Russia, I like to visit Russia, especially Moscow. Yeah, Russia is a country I would love to go one day. Not to live there. To live, just want to live in Kenya, but visiting Russia, I wouldn't mind.
Okay, so thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you so
much. We appreciate.
Thank you so much.
Have you heard of President Putin of Russia?
Yes, I have.
What do you know him for?
I know him for being like I thought he was a dictator at first because of the media, because you know our media is mostly Western media. So I think to me I saw him as a dictator at first. Yeah, but now I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it, about his
Okay, and given a chance, is Russia a country you'd like to visit or stay there?
Probably not stay there. Maybe just visit and see for myself, but I wouldn't say I'm a big fan of of Russia or something. Yeah.
And about the Russian people, do you know anything else other than them having a president called Putin?
Not much, but I think they are tough people, according to, because I normally watch UFC and such, and the Russians are some of the most toughest people in the fighting community and such. So I just think they are tough people. That's what I know Russians are. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for talking to us. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for your time.
Okay. Do you know President Putin of Russia?
Yeah, I know.
What do you know him for?
Ni ile tu nimesoma kwa mtandao, but sijamjua sana. Si tunajua Russia kuna vita nini. That's what I know.
Oh, okay. And what do you think about the Russian people?
The Russian people. Siko ndio kuna vita na what's the other country?
Ukraine.
Yeah, Ukraine. What I think those guys should come together, then they just agree. Let's kaa chini na agree.
Given a chance right now, is Russia a country you'd like to visit or maybe live there?
For now hapana. For now hapana. Maybe I love peace. Me personally I love peace. Place yote hakuna peace, I'm not into it. But maybe kama hakuna mvutano, hakuna vita, I can love to visit because I love traveling. I can love to visit. But maybe kama kitu imelipeleka huko. My dream country ile naweza penda hata kama ikuwe na vita na ina vita, maybe niweze enda hapo initangwa Seychelles. Is it Seychelles ama is it Seychelles? Seychelles.
Sawa. Asante sana for your time. We appreciate it. Do you know President Putin of Russia?
I know that Putin guy. Yeah.
What do you know him for?
I know that guy is so aggressive. Putin is so aggressive. Yeah, I know him just exactly.
Okay, and do you know anything about Russians or Russia as a country?
Hey, I know one thing about Russian is those. They like fighting with
And if given a chance, is Russia a country you'd like to visit or maybe live there someday?
Yeah, I would like to live in Russia because of one thing. To train myself how to deal with my ex-girlfriends. I will train myself to, like, if you are my ex-girlfriend out there, I can go to Russia because of you, so that when I come, I deal with you accordingly.
So no other thing you'd like to see in Russia, just to go and learn how to deal with ex-girlfriends?
Maybe I would like to to see Putin, then I ask Putin, how does yani Putin, nataka hiyo kiburi ya Putin. I need that kiburi of Putin.
He's arrogant.
To put in me. Yeah. I need Putin to put in me that kiburi. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for giving us your time. We appreciate it.
Okay, thank you, very important.
Have you heard of President Putin of Russia? Putin.
Not yet.
You've not heard of Putin?
Yeah.
And do you know anything about Russia?
Russia. According to the last information that I got, it's about the Russia and Ukraine, the war. And then I heard that there are some people are saying that it is believed that it's making the world come to an end, because in the Bible they say that the last times of the world, that there will be war between nations.
Would you love to visit Russia or even live there, given the opportunity?
According to me, I would like to say the place where there is security, yet there is peace. Because if you live in the place like Russia, you see there is no insecurity, there is no peace. People are recruited to go into war. Then it's saying in a reduce. The more they are recruited, the more they die. That I cannot. Then, according to my own opinion, I can say that I don't want to live in Russia.
Okay, so thank you so much for giving us your time. We appreciate it.